Hello everyone, my name is Vishal. Welcome back to my channel Pixology. Today in this video, I am super excited to guide you how to remove background in just one click with the latest version of CorelDRAW 2026. Before this version, removing a background was an old tedious way. But now after integration of AI, you can do the same thing on a single click without any selection. So I will show you with few examples. Let's begin with example number 1. So in this example, as you can see, I'm having a red rose with a background. Now I want to remove this green background with green leaves. So I can do it on a click. I just need to select the bitmap, and after this you need to go to bitmap and there is an option of remove background. So this is a AI based tool. I have to just click. I don't have to make any kind of selection in this. When I click, and in no time it will remove the green background and just keep the red rose inside this. So now just to see, what I need to do is I will place the image over here and I'll put one background rectangle with the blue color. So let me just bring this rectangle back. As you can see, in no time it has cleaned and removed the background. Let's move to the example number 2. So for example number 2, as you can see in this image, I'm having a cute baby with a very subtle gradient at the background. So if I need to remove that, I just need to again select the bitmap, go to bitmap menu again, and inside bitmap menu you will find remove background. When I click, in no time, without any selection, again it will just remove the background. Can you see? Let's move to example number 3. In this, as you can see, the background is very much blurred and blend with the subject, but with the result you will be surprised. Just select the bitmap first, repeat the same thing, bitmap, remove background, and in no time you will see the background will get removed from the image. It is as simple as that. Just go to bitmap and remove, click on the remove background. Your work is done in no time. I hope you have learned something new in this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.